I've made it. Oh my goodness, guys, right now I'm in Venice, like in the airport. My goodness, I'm get lost, so I don't know what should I do. My goodness, let's go. Go! I need to go and find something because I don't know what is happening. Like just driving this car, that's what is happening in my brain right now. Because I don't know, like actually I will show you. This is airport, so huge. There's the sign says like you need to go there. I've been there and I not found it. No legio auto utigli impress marsidi sicurezza risparima tempo qui il self in caso di negato il really everything understand what I say. I'm in Italy. Ti amo, momo, muchacho. Italy. I'm so glad to be here. I saw the taxi kind of expensive, 23 euro for across the bridge. I wanna try the boat. We'll see how it works out. If it not, oh man, so probably I should spend money for taxi. Are you my subscribers? No. You can subscribe, yeah. I found something. Oh my god! Transport via aqua. Oh, so probably I should go there. Mamma mia! So let's find out what is got here. Ooh, so excited! Oh, I got a power. Let's go! Come on! Поднажми, водитель! Дай газу! Что вы тут за пробку сделали, а? Where the traffic is here, huh? I can't work in there. Come on, or I will jump over. Hey. I'm so sorry. I will be faster than you. I gotta speed. Look, I'm so faster than you. Guys, why are you going so slowly? Definitely. Stop! I'm vlogging. Yeah, stop. Whoa, definitely. Yo-moyo. I just decided I will use probably the taxi or will try to find the bus. It's so expensive, like 130. Ooh, shit! No. Нет! Я не буду столько. That's crazy. I thought it will be cost like a 50 euro, but 140? Help me! Somebody help me! Fuck! My goodness, that's so crazy. I can't believe it. Oh my! Больно! Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Italy! Momo, muchacho, ti amo! Нормально. Whoa! No way. Are you thinking about this? It's so cool. Whoa! Hi. What's up? Okay. I found the bus. It's going to Venice, where I need. Okay. I asked her how much cost. She said 10 euro. Momo, muchacho. In Rome is the bus so cheaper, like 1 euro 50. But here it's 10 euro. Are you good, bro, or not? But let's go. Mamma mia! Wow! Italy! You've done it again! How beautiful is that? My goodness! Exactly! That's what I'm saying in Italiano! Yeah, but look at this! Hey. Oh, what are you doing? Wow! We're right under the river! How cool is that? Looks so perfect! Just look at this! Wow! The boat! It's a boober! Hey! He waved me. Cool. So right now I try to find the hotel or hostel, I don't know, and it's very difficult to find them. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Whoa, take it easy. Just go like that, boom. But no. Я в шоке, можно просто спокойно туда спуститься, но я не знаю, насколько здесь глубоко. How deep is that? I don't know actually. So right now I found like kind of hotel or hostel. I don't know, like I don't have internet. Oh, I made like a couple pictures because that I have internet a little bit. So I made the picture like did this screen. How I should to go to find those hotel. Do you see this? Like that, that. Kind of looks complicated. Come on, bro. You can do this. Oh. He's so strong. Come on. I believe in you. Yeah. Look at this. Guys, how cool is that? Просто по сторонам здания. И вот так ты отходишь, такой лабиринт. Это так круто. Здесь можно па-па-па-па. Вот так вот паркурчик такой сделать. Тут залез вот так вот. Сюда в котлипчик вот так вот. Вау, как круто. Атмосфера здесь, конечно, лютейшая. Но скажу, здесь очень дорого. Still trying to find the hotel. Вообще никак не могу найти. I've been like in one hotel. You see? And it's a total 2070. Something like that. Blah, blah, blah. And then boom. No bueno. Так, а что дальше? А куда? Как дальше? Это тоже no bueno. Also, guys, I just want to tell you about like water in Venice. Like, don't know, go into the water. Never go into the water because the thousands of million people is pooping of this water. Look at this. How bad it is, and the green. The water should be like green, and it smells so bad. I don't recommend to swim over there. Kind of like historical about me. Я вот здесь прохожу еще раз. Здесь так охуенно. Такое эхо. Такое. И теперь let's go back. Потому что очень круто. О, посмотри, как круто. Охренеть. Блин. Как это круто! Italy! What's up? The neighbors! Good morning! У меня нету пока что слов. Просто можно идти вот так вот и наслаждаться вот всем этим. Просто посмотри. Смотри. И здесь я не могу описать вот этот звук. Я не знаю, это какие-то насекомые, вот так вот, как сверчки. Слишком сильно вот так, вот так вот делают. Просто прислушайтесь. Do you hear that? If someone knows what's the sound, let me know in the comments below, because I have no idea. Where is the hotel? Tell me, where are you? Чтобы вы понимали, здесь потеряться можно очень быстро. Я уже не помню, как я пришел. Я сейчас пытаюсь найти дорогу обратно к этому ЖД вокзалу. Я его до сих пор не могу найти. Посмотри, все одинаково. Все одинаково. Потом идут такие лабиринты мощные. I will definitely will get lost. I'm already get lost, but where should will be next? Oh my. Guys, finally I found it, the room. Whew. But I just take off the shirt and just look at it. Crazy, yeah? Whew. That's like it's so hot in outside today. Oh no, my phone, my earphone. So yeah, but look at this in my apartment. Look, boom. I think it looks nice. The bathroom is also looks good. Hey, bam! No way! Is this all mine? All mine! Wow! I just missed the shower. Right now we'll enjoy with a cold shower that will wake me up. Это все мне обошлось 187 евро. 187 euro they all cost for 2 nights. So I choose not 3 nights, like it will be 2 nights. Yeah. So and probably after 2 nights, like at Thursday, I'm leaving to Florencia. Yeah. So let's try to chill because I'm so tired. Blah. Oh, how is beautiful. Guys, tell me, oh, what's up, Seagull? So yeah, so just chilling right now a little bit, try to take a vibe of Venezia. Venezia, por favor. Right now, just a little bit chill, and then I will try to find food. I'm so hungry. I need food to my stomach that I will enjoy it with that meal. Yeah, and actually I tried to find the Puerta di Arla. I don't know, it's like a famous bridge. Puerta di Arla. Hey, what's up? Ah, they're waving me. Hey, are you my subscriber? Subscribe on my channel. Yeah. You can subscribe too if you want. Mamma mia. Ah, almost touched it. You are tourist. You are tourist. 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 And tourist. All of you tourist. Oh, whoa, какая пати у нас тут. Oh my goodness.
Почкай, почкай, почкай.
Почка, какая. You are tourist. You are tourist. 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 And you tourist. Yeah, you all of tourists here also. Whoa. I love a history of me. All people is going above and both going under. Yeah, how cool is this history of me? Yeah, because it's a Venezia. Wait a second, I can drink here? Mamma mia. My goodness, this is majestical water. I feel how my dick is grown up. Whoa. Oh, wow. Guys, finally I'm here. I'm ready to eat. I am so much hungry. You can imagine. Oh. Just waiting my pasta. I order like a carbonara. Oh, I will eat the real carbonara's food. Yeah. I got a Coke. Like, oh my goodness. This is for you. Oh, so good. Dear Italian pasta, I promise you to love you, cherish you, and be with you in the rest of this meal. Everything was good, tasty, delicioso. Oh, por favor, minimento. Oh, I kind of full, but one thing I don't know. How can I get back to my hotel? Because everything is the same, and I don't like it. Вот и куда идти? Просто куда идти? Там не пойдешь, там вода. Туда пойдешь, там я не знаю, куда я выйду. Ты идешь одной дорогой, а приходишь другой вообще. So probably I will ask the people how can I get to the train stations. And see, it's a тупик. Boom. Не ходи туда, не ходи туда, там тупик. Зачем ты идешь туда? Сейчас буду пробовать в ту сторону идти. И там тоже ничего. И там тоже ничего. Да бесит, куда идти-то, а? Somebody help me. Guys, still walking, trying to find my hotel, but I found it like the majestical place. And I will say the architecture in Italy is so good, so perfect. Like, look at this building behind me. Mamma mia, а? Просто старинно, еще с тех времен стоит. Вот такой вот квадратик получается. Wow, да? Finally, I found my hotel. You see, it's over there. It's like a yellow hotel. Yo, Seagull! Seagull! Come on! Can you tell me why it's so perfect here? Huh? Why it's so beautiful? Ah! Why you run away from me? Why you fly away from me? Ah! Mamma mia, почему so perfect? Look at this. Can you tell me why so perfect here? You know Italian?
Yeah.
Can you say in Italian why so perfect here?
Because Italy, perché l'Italia è perfetta.
Yeah. And Venezia is mamma mia, ti amo. Yeah.
Tutto ti amo, tutto.
Yeah. Gracias. Like I love it. Oh, Вы сами все слышали. The end of the day I will finish because I'm so exhausted because the flight took so forever for me. I've been in airport one day and no sleep, and today I arrived. That was a tough day. Finally find the room where I will sleep. I bought some kind of pizza that I will eat right now and in the morning. Yeah, so guys, if you like this video, so give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what do you think about this vlog, about my traveling to Venice. Yeah, wow, so I think you will like it, so make sure you subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye.